In the world of trading, having the right tools can make all the difference. One such tool is the TTM Squeeze. This innovative tool is a game changer for traders worldwide. It's a visual approach that shows how Bollinger Bands and Keltner channels interact with the momentum of price action. Now you might be wondering what all these terms mean. Well, Bollinger Bands are standard deviations from a simple moving average, while Keltner channels are average true range bands. The TTM Squeeze cleverly brings these two concepts together. The magic happens when Bollinger Bands compress within Keltner channels. As this compression occurs, price volatility decreases. This is a signal that there could be a potential explosive price movement on the horizon, either up or down. Understanding how to read this tool is crucial for predicting these potential movements. Now let's delve into the history of the TTM Squeeze and its evolution. The creation of the TTM Squeeze can be credited to John Carter. Carter's brainchild, the TTM Squeeze, was a game changer in the trading world. It provided a visual representation of how Bollinger Bands relate to Keltner channels in relation to the momentum of price action. It was like looking at the market's pulse, giving traders a chance to anticipate an explosive price movement. Carter didn't stop there, though. He went on to create the TTM Squeeze Pro, an upgrade to the original TTM Squeeze. This Pro version introduced a nuanced approach to evaluating price volatility. Unlike the original that used a 1.5 average true range or ATR Keltner channel, the Pro version incorporates 1.0, 1.5, and 2.0 ATR Keltner channels. This means the Pro version can differentiate between different levels of squeeze as the Bollinger Bands move through the Keltner channels. The greater the compression, the more potential for explosive moves. However, the TTM Squeeze didn't evolve in isolation. Lazy Bear, a keen market observer, took Carter's TTM Squeeze and gave it his own twist. He developed the Squeeze Momentum Indicator, a unique interpretation of the TTM Squeeze. His contribution made the indicator more versatile, allowing traders to gauge the market momentum with a fresh perspective. The evolution didn't stop there. Mackett Zero picked up where Lazy Bear left off. He took Lazy Bear's script and factored in the upgrades of the TTM Squeeze Pro, leading to the birth of the Squeeze Pro Arrows. This evolution of Lazy Bear's script was a significant step forward. It further refined the squeeze conditions to reflect the color coding used by the official TTM Squeeze Pro indicator more accurately. So, what does this mean for traders? Well, with these advancements, traders now have a more refined tool at their disposal. They can better anticipate market movements, making informed decisions based on the level of compression within the Bollinger Bands and Keltner channels. With these enhancements, traders have a more refined tool to help them make well-informed decisions. Let's recap the key points we've discussed. The TTM Squeeze, created by John Carter, and its evolved version, the TTM Squeeze Pro, are crucial tools for traders. They offer a visual representation of how Bollinger Bands and Keltner channels relate to the momentum of price action. As these bands compress within the channels, we see a decrease in price volatility, which could be the precursor to a potential explosive price movement. The Pro version further refines this by differentiating levels of squeeze or compression. The color-coded histogram and dots provide traders with a clear picture of price momentum and the position of the Bollinger Bands in relation to the Keltner channels. From black dots indicating the onset of a low compression squeeze to green dots signaling the end of the squeeze, traders are guided through the entire process, helping them make informed decisions. With the TTM Squeeze, traders have a powerful tool in their arsenal, helping them navigate the unpredictable waters of the stock market.